Now, let us look at the important aspect of logistics. Logistics as a whole is not just an isolated activity. ये isolated activity नहीं है कि जो किसी भी दूसरे फंक्शन के साथ कोई इंटरफेस नहीं रखती है. Logistics does have an interface. It has an interface with your production, your finance, marketing, of course. So how many different type of interfaces are there for logistics? We will discuss it here. So logistic functions and activities have a significant amount of overlap with the other functions and activities of a company. जब आपने ये कहा कि 4 P's में से जो 2 P हैं, जो 2 P's थे आपके पास, time और utility, time and place, they are actually related to logistics. That mean कि logistics as an activity does have some overlapping phenomena with the other activities or the functions. The functions with a high degree of overlap are finance, marketing, information technology, of course, and production. Let me show you a figure so that you can sort out what type of activities are involved, or what type of activities in finance, marketing, information technology, and production are there, which are actually the part of logistics as well. So if you see this diagram, in finance, normally what would you do? You would have a costing, your interest factors are being calculated, of course tax rates and depreciation would be the part of your accounting and finance area. These are the forte of accounting and finance. What is the overlapping activity, or where is the interface of logistics is with the finance? It's the rate for your services negotiation. आपकी जो service providers and service logistics provider, how would they negotiate the rates? They have to look at the accounting principles. They have to look at the financial impact of that activity and how can they make it profitable for them. So rate negotiation, it actually is the overlapping activity with the finance. There are more activities. I am just pointing out some of the basic interfaces. In information technology, of course, information technology, you can recall that आपकी logistics का जो renaissance था, that was because of information technology. With the evolution of information technology, logistics or supply chains, they emerged. ये मुमकिन ही नहीं था कि information technology के बगैर जो है वो आपके पास सप्लाई चेन्स और लॉजिस्टिक्स जो है वो चल सकते हैं. स्पेशली दी ERPs, एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग, जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं, जो इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम्स हैं, वो बिकॉज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी दे आर, जिनकी वजह से आपके पास सप्लाई चेन्स फ्लरिश कर रही हैं. आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, व्हाट डज इट डील विद? इट डील्स विद द इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोरेज, इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग एंड यूजर इंटरफेस, ऑफ कोर्स. And where is the overlap or interface with logistics? These are the analytical tools and reports. मैंने अभी कह दिया आपसे एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग जो है वो उसका एक पार्ट है. तो एनालिटिकल टूल्स और उसका जो रिपोर्टिंग पर्पस है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये इसलिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपके पास लॉजिस्टिक्स में हमने बात की कि लॉजिस्टिक्स में आपके पास डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज इन्वॉल्व हैं. उन एक्टिविटीज को जब आप सिंक्रोनाइज करते हैं तो यू नीड सम इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम फॉर दैट सिंक्रोनाइजेशन. तो दैट इज बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड बाय इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. देन वी हैव अ मार्केटिंग लॉजिस्टिक्स इंटरफेस. बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मार्केटिंग वुड बी रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, कस्टमर कमिटमेंट्स एंड मार्केट प्रमोशन. ये बेसिक डिसीजंस हैं जो मार्केटिंग में आप करते हैं. द इंटरफेस वुड बी द इन्वेंट्री लेवल्स, lead time, the transport mode and location. important है आपके पास. इसमें मजीद चीजें भी आपके पास हैं. इन्वेंट्री लेवल, मैं कितनी इन्वेंट्री बनाऊं so that I would be going, let's say, for a minimum market promotions. कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड, हाउ वुड आई फुलफिल इट विद माई इन्वेंट्री. एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स आर एन इम्पॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट ऑफ मार्केटिंग. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ज्यादा ओवरलैप है विद लॉजिस्टिक्स. Yes, there is a difference between a marketing channel and a logistical channel, but in principle, channel management or distribution would be a part of logistics as well as marketing. तो आपकी location of number of warehouses भी जो है वो इसी में मौजूद है. Then we have a production logistics interface. Production में what is the principle of production or operations? That is to have a capacity planning, production planning, and quality control. These are the three basic functions of production. Now, where does the interface lie? आपके पास interface lie करता है delivery schedules पर, product availability पर, and of course, आपकी production, logistics, and marketing में the location of your warehouses is a thing which is the intersection point for these three activities. इन तीनों activities के लिए और तीनों functions के लिए एक intersection point के तौर पे मौजूद है. Your warehouses are linked with your production. आपके warehouses आपकी production के साथ क्यों linked हैं? Your warehouses are linked with your production. Why? Because you are producing something, you are manufacturing something, and you would require a warehouse to store it. Or might be you would be looking at a distribution center that, okay, I have send it to my customer, but the customer requirement or the time of the delivery is actually after some period of time. So I will store it in some distribution center near my customer. You would be requiring some special type of a warehouse. आपको एक special warehouse या distribution center की जरूरत हो सकती है. Same is the case with marketing. Marketing में customer requirements के मुताबिक आपकी product होना, उन products को store करना या customer जो service level है उसको increase करने के लिए you should have the required inventory with you. तो वो inventory, where would you put it? You would be putting it in the warehouses. So logistics warehouses would be something, or the different forms of warehouses are actually important for your production and operations, your logistics, as well as for your marketing. So logistical interface is an important aspect. There has been a lot of research on it, और इन interfaces को discuss किया गया है काफी डिटेल में. So you can look at any of the interface, and there are people who are actually working in different logistical interfaces. Thank you.